because of parts in this film were based on historical facts and also in my personal experience, so I add there my personal experience and this facts about Second World War and this air bombing of city of Kokura. But not many people know these facts, but I was really very surprised to find that this small town survived twice of air bombing. And it was, for me, it was idea to use in this film as a part of this memories of this old man. So when he was a young boy, so he was a boy in this small town. To finish, to answer on your question, I would like to say that for me it was really very I was really afraid of reaction of Japanese public audience on my film, because I know that I made a lot of mistakes in my film which are connected to culture and habits of Japanese people, so I must to apologize if I made some mistakes. And now about second question.
Sorry, yeah.
Oh, yeah, sorry.